Congratulations to Orlando Pirates and having to watch these new guys taking on this very first game like this. This is a beautiful performance. Sipombule, it was very good to see him starting the game. That may show that maybe the coach have the confidence on Sipombule. And make no mistake, MasterChef can do wonders in that midfield. Watch the space. I'm just wishing him to experience no injuries this season so that he can take on and showcase in the field. I really enjoyed watching Sihle Nduli taking on the leadership there in the midfielder, communication and able to close spaces, communicate on how to move, the scanning, everything that needs to be done by the leader in the midfield. That was the best. You would swear that Sihle is not the newcomer there. Fitted like a glove. That was a beautiful experience. Okay. Otherwise, congratulations to Orlando Pirates. This was a very beautiful experience, performance in the field of play. Scoring 2 goals in the first half helped them, because Polokwane City was starting now to come back. Yes, they have some moments in the first half, but there were chances that were created not by them but due to mistake that were done by Orlando Pirates. So in those moments, if if Polokwane City was clinical, they should have scored and have 2 or 1 before the break time. But you will see in the second time they really showed some character and closed the gaps that were there in the first half and tried to shape well, do an attack, but they were not clinical on the last third. So that was the issue. So unfortunately they lost the game, but it was a beautiful game to watch. At least they showed that they also in this competition to compete, but unfortunately they let Pirates scored those 2 goals, which was, I feel like, the first goal they should have avoided that. They exposed the goalkeeper. They let a police be on that space. It was a beautiful pass from Radio Pane. Guys, having to watch new players having this performance in the very first game, it is a beautiful thing to watch. So beautiful. What a beautiful performance from Apolis. He really deserved to be a man of the match. Deserving a man of the match title today. I am wishing him to have this performance and more up until the end of this competition and even in the league games, because we still have more to see and enjoy from Apolis. The second goal, it was him being fouled inside the box. So you see, he had a positive impact to those 2 goals. So this was a beautiful thing to watch. Otherwise, congratulations to Orlando Pirates. They are now going to the semi-finals. Let's hope and wish maybe they will be able to defend the title. This is the cup that they've been doing the best and having the good moments, performance, and they've been winning this cup I think 3 times in a row, if not 2 times in a row, and that is a good thing to watch. They are the big team. We are expecting anything less than this. Maybe this season again they will win it. We don't know, but this is a good start for Orlando Pirates. It is a good start for Orlando Pirates. I have no much to say about Polokwane City because they did not score. They did not have much shot on target, but they have some moment. But their game was not clinical there on the last third. They were playing the first third, second third, then on the last third, there was no really something to more to speak about. But all I can say about Polokwane City, they've put at least the good performance and tried to avoid being exposed much by Orlando Pirates in the second half, because if maybe they were not there to perform and showcase, Pirates should have scored more goals even on the second half, because there were moments Pirates were they created the chances, but also they were not clinical. But otherwise, it was a beautiful game to watch. Congratulations, Orlando Pirates. We will see on the next game.